Hey there, future web developers. Have you ever wondered what makes every website you visit actually work? What's the secret ingredient behind Google, Netflix, your favorite online store, or even that quirky blog you can't stop reading? Well, let me tell you, it all starts with three little letters, HTML. Today, we're diving into why learning HTML is absolutely essential if you want to build anything on the web. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why HTML is the foundation that everything else is built upon. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe, and share to your friends who are interested in programming. Let's get started. So, what exactly is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, I know that sounds intimidating, but stay with me. It's actually beautifully simple. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website. Just like your skeleton gives your body structure and shape, HTML gives a web page its structure and shape. When you see a heading, a paragraph, an image, or a button on a website, that's all HTML doing its job. It tells the browser, hey, this is a title. This is a paragraph. Put an image here, make this a clickable link. It's the blueprint that every single website is built from. Here's the thing, you simply cannot be a web developer without knowing HTML. It's not optional, it's not a nice to have. It's the absolute foundation. Imagine trying to become a chef without knowing what a stove is, or a musician who's never touched an instrument. That's what trying to build websites without HTML would be like. Every other web technology, CSS for styling, JavaScript for interactivity, React, Vue, Angular, all of them depend on HTML. They're like the paint, decorations, and furniture in a house, but HTML is the actual walls and floors. Without it, you've got nothing to build on. Now here's the great news. HTML is genuinely one of the easiest programming languages to learn. Actually, it's not even really a programming language. It's a markup language, which means it's more about organizing and labeling content than writing complex logic. You can learn the basics in a matter of hours. Seriously, open up a text editor, type some simple tags like opening and closing paragraph tags, save it as an HTML file, open it in your browser, and boom, you've just created your first web page. There's something incredibly satisfying about that instant feedback. You write some code, refresh your browser, and immediately see the results. Learning HTML opens up a world of possibilities. Want to build your own portfolio website? HTML. Want to create a blog? HTML. Interested in web design, front-end development, or even full-stack development? It all starts with HTML. And here's something most people don't realize. HTML knowledge is valuable across so many fields. Content management systems like WordPress, email marketing, digital product creation, even certain aspects of app development, all require at least a basic understanding of HTML. Once you know it, you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. There's also something empowering about understanding how the web works. Instead of being just a consumer of websites, you become someone who can create them. You stop seeing the web as this mysterious black box and start understanding the logic behind it. Every site you visit becomes a learning opportunity. You can right-click, view the source code, and actually understand what you're looking at. Here's another crucial point. HTML isn't going anywhere. It's been around since the early days of the internet, and it will be around for decades to come. Unlike some technologies that become obsolete every few years, HTML is stable, constantly evolving in backward-compatible ways, and universally supported. Learning HTML is an investment that will pay dividends throughout your entire career. So, whether you're a complete beginner curious about web development, a student considering a career in tech, or someone looking to add a valuable skill to your resume, learning HTML is where your journey should begin. It's accessible, it's powerful, and it's the gateway to everything else in web development. The web is waiting for what you'll create. So why not start today? Open up that text editor, write your first HTML tag, and take that exciting first step into the world of web development. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. Subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends.